20 exponential moving arrows. Why we take 20 means in every month mostly we have 20 trading days. So this will give us a exact confirmation about the trend. So whenever the candles are above this 20 MA, it will call it as a bullish or uptrend. Okay, whenever there will be in between that AMA 20 line, then we call it as a sideways. And whenever the candles are below the 20 AMA, that we call it as a downtrend or bearish trend. So in this way, this 20 MA will give us a clear cut idea about the trend. Now let's talk how to take trades based on this 20 EMA. Okay, and this will act as the most powerful act in that support and resistance. Okay, that this 20 EMA act as a support, and during uptrend it act as a support. See, this is also support and this is also support, and during downtrend it acts as a resistance. Okay, let's see is the trend changes to downtrend and it acts as a resistance. See, this is the resistance, this is the resistance. See, it acts as a resistance, see, let me clearly we can see here. See, this is the this act as a powerful resistance. Okay, so like this will consider, we can consider as a very powerful indicator or a method of trading. Okay, any investor, most investors will use 20 MA due to this clear cut confirmation about the resistance, support, and how. Now we will discuss how to enter and how to take the trades. Okay, now for investing purpose we took one day that 1 day candle. Now see, this green candle breaks, this green candle closes above the 20 MA. Okay, now when we are going to enter, okay, let's consider this is the confirmation, this is the big one, it will be the confirmation candle. Why? Because this green candle crosses or breakout given the breakout of 20 MA means once before it was a downtrend. Okay, because before it was a downtrend, and once the green candle closes above this blue line at 20 MA, the trend changes. So whenever this confirmation candle closes above 20 MA, the trend changes. Okay, now when we are going to take the entry means another green candle should close us this confirmation candle here. Let's take it here this candle will close us the confirmation candle. Now where the entry means here, this above candle will be the entry, and this candle will be the stop loss, and buffer, if we take the buffer, this will be the buffer, this red candle will be the buffer. Okay, now if you take the entry on at 1074 and the stop loss will be 1054. Now see the movement of the stock. Again immediately it jumped, gave a gap up here about 2.5% and came down. Okay, again it gives a support, it acts as a 20 MA acts as a support. We will take another entry here. Okay, another entry here also. Again it will goes above, it will goes like a rocket, it moves like a rocket, it moves like a rocket. See the move, here also we can average it. This is like a pyramiding, this averaging nothing but a pyramiding, where whenever the 20 MA gives a support, we will take a entry. Okay, here here little cautious here. See, this red candle closes below, means what we consider means we will the trend will changes now. So what happened means here this the candle, this is a confirmation red candle. Okay, next candle, this doji candle will not crosses this confirmation candle, so we have to exit of the position. Why? Because this will not given a perfect position. Again next day what happened, it immediately again this green candle closes about this 20 ma. Again it is like a fake breakout, that is fake trend. Okay, again here if you enter means again it moves, it move like a rocket. See, again it give a support here. Okay, again this red candle will give a again trend changes. Okay, why? Because see, this is a big candle, this is a big red candle. So what we do is, if you give a stop loss here, if you give stop loss here, means this red candle immediately this green candle will got it. So once the red candle big red candle closes below the EMA, then we call it as a trend change. So like this we are going to take a bullish trade. Okay, like this we are going to take the bullish trade. Now let's consider the bearish trade also. See, where is the bearish trade? Here, see, here this red candle closes below the EMA. Here this confirmation candle closes below the 20 ma. Immediately next candle, what happened? Next candle, this hadn't closed below the confirmation. Again where this candle closes below this confirmation candle, then here there will be a entry. Here below this will be the entry, above this will be the stop loss. This confirmation candle will be the stop loss. See, this is the entry, this is the stop loss. Okay, see the move, here act as a resistance. See the movement. Again here our stop loss got hit. Okay, like this we are going to take the bullish and bearish trade.